Hi, Pete Miller here for Asia Focus, and today is the 1st of July, and here is the month 6 update of my 1-year Adobe Stock journey. The month of June, in one word, zero. No submissions from me, no new assets created, no income movement. So the total earnings still sitting at US $9.31. I'm not panicking about that number, as most photographers don't see real results or income until year 2 or 3 of building a stock portfolio. But I do owe you the real reason behind it with no excuses. I'm enrolled in a full-time intensive language course here at Patong, Phuket. Speaking, reading and writing Thai 5 days a week, and it consumes every spare moment. I'm in the classroom 4 hours each day, and then there's another 4 hours of revision after that. So my word for 2026 is intentional. One priority fully protected, no half-finished projects running in parallel. Thai is that priority right now because, well, speaking the language properly is what turns street images here in this photographer's paradise into unique documentary work that pays. Now, I did manage to film around the local area a little bit. The footage exists, but it just never made it into the editing suite this month. But a quick bit of good news buried inside this update is my first Adobe Missions submission was accepted and paid, and that's a real result, which made it even harder when I was invited back for round 2, but I had to pass. Same reason, the Thai course. I know that's a real cost, and I'm being upfront about it rather than pretending it doesn't really matter. Well, it does matter, and I have to move on. I didn't step back completely from photography this month. My Pexels profile, as I mentioned in the first update, passed 4 million views this month, and I entered the Malaysian competition using 10 years of archive material. So a very nice few features came out of that. I'll drop a link below if you want to see that set. So I've got 2 more weeks of intensive Thai language classes, and then the camera comes back out. So I'll hopefully be back with the Adobe Missions team next round. If you're on your own stock journey, then please tell me in the comments, how's it going? This has been Pete Miller, signing off. Bye for now.